this video, I'll show you how to create this text effect in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. First, drag it onto the timeline. Then, duplicate a copy and layer it on top. Next, click the top clip. Go to Video Remove BG. Click Auto Removal. Wait a moment to remove the background. Next, go to the Text tab, drag and drop the default text between the two layers. This creates the text behind subject effect. Now, enter your desired text and customize its style. Scroll down to stroke. Add some stroke and change the stroke color. Then duplicate the text layer and move the copy to the topmost layer. Change the text color to green. Right-click to create a compound clip. Go to Video Remove BG. Use Chroma key to remove the green. And there it is, a hollow text effect with an outline where the subject appears. Thanks for watching.